This is John. John owns a company, and due to the current situation, John must limit and control the number of customers in his business in order to ensure the social distance security measures. Hiring security staff is too expensive, and failing to control capacity could involve high penalties. John was looking for a solution, and he found ControlTradeGate, a capacity control device that is easy to install. Just set up the maximum capacity, and that's all. ControlTradeGate automatically counts people in and out, and when the maximum capacity is reached, ControlTradeGate pauses access, blocking the door system. In case of any intrusion, an alarm will be activated. It is the only patented and compact capacity control system for people in the market. It is ready for use, and it does not involve the use of cameras or image captures, ensuring the privacy of people. ControlTradeGate, your capacity control device.